Tata Projects has used a lot of cutting-edge technologies and has been a leader in sustainability. So it is something which aligns with my core values. I find this a wonderful opportunity for me and a great way to start my career.
It was a pleasure meeting top company leaders. Also, it was great to see some of women leaders also come up, so that now I have someone I can look up to in office.
Tailor-made activities which are teaching us teamwork, individual work, how to present ourselves, everything. So pretty much fun.
One of the things that our MD sir told us, that he mentioned that like our life should be like 4 holes of button. First, definitely work, ourselves, our family and society. I think I'll definitely try to maintain it.
I'm really excited to work with Tata Projects Limited as a safety engineer.
Ready to make my mark.
Ready to make my mark. Ready to make my mark.
Ready to make my mark.
Ready to make my mark.
Ready to make my mark.
Ready to make my mark.
Ready to make my mark.
Ready to make my mark.